Imagine waking up, no toothbrush, no toothpaste, no minty freshness. But somehow people thousands of years ago still managed to clean their teeth. So the question is, how did they do it without toothpaste? And honestly, were their teeth completely disgusting? Most people assume ancient humans just had rotten black teeth, but that's not completely true. In fact, some ancient skulls show surprisingly healthy teeth. So what were they doing right that we've completely forgotten? Let's go back over 5,000 years. The earliest toothbrush wasn't a brush at all. It was a chewing stick, just a small twig from specific trees. People would chew one end until it became soft and frayed, basically turning it into natural bristles. Then they'd use it to scrub their teeth. Simple, but effective. And here's the crazy part. This method is still used today in some parts of the world. Okay, but what about toothpaste? No Colgate, no Sensodyne. So what did they use? Some of the ingredients might shock you. Ancient Egyptians, for example, used a mixture of crushed rock salt, mint, dried flowers, and powdered animal hooves. Yes, animal hooves. It worked like an early abrasive, scrubbing plaque off teeth. But let's be honest, that probably didn't taste amazing. In many ancient cultures, people cleaned their teeth using charcoal, burnt wood ash. They would rub it directly onto their teeth. Why? Because charcoal is actually very good at absorbing stains and toxins. Even today, you'll see charcoal toothpaste being sold. So in a weird way, we've gone full circle. Here's something important most people don't realize. Ancient people had less sugar. No soda, no candy, no ultra-processed snacks, which means fewer cavities. So even if their cleaning methods weren't perfect, their diet helped protect their teeth. Meanwhile, today, we have the best dental care in history, but also the worst eating habits. Not everything was genius, though. Some ancient tooth cleaning methods were kind of horrifying. The Romans, for example, used urine. Yes, actual urine, because it contains ammonia, a chemical that can whiten teeth. And believe it or not, it actually worked. Still, probably not something you want to try. The first real toothbrush, closer to what we use today, came from ancient China. They used bamboo handles, bristles made from pig hair. Imagine brushing your teeth with that every morning. Not exactly soft, but it was a huge step toward modern dental care. Here's the surprising truth. Some ancient populations had better teeth than us, not because they had better tools, but because they had natural diets, less sugar, more chewing of hard foods, which naturally clean teeth. Meanwhile, today, we rely completely on toothpaste and brushes, but still get cavities. So what can we learn from all this? It's not really about fancy toothpaste. It comes down to what you eat, how often you clean, and consistency.